Hello everyone. Sorry today my microphone is faulty, so just bear with me with the sound and thank you. First of all, we're going to do the recap of what happened last week and we're going to anticipate what we're expecting for the coming week. Now, if you haven't watched my last video, you can watch it after this for you to understand why we said the price is going to go to where it is right now and what the price is going to do because the recap might be so quick. So, for you to understand it, just go back to watch the next video. Thank you. So, now let's jump to the recap. First of all, we have to do a top down analysis on the recap. We go on a weekly. Okay, on my last week video, I said the price is going to continue on Monday without no retracement, and which it creates this gap and continue to this point. If we step down a daily, we have a bullish trend on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we have a lot of consolidation, and Friday we have this little retracement to the back. So now I said the price is going to, yeah, I'm looking for a region between this point. So the price have been respecting this region, which is so good. Now the next thing we are planning to do right now is to move to know what is going to happen next week. So now, guys, let's go back to our top-down analysis. And first, let me remove all this drawing. It is done. Last week is done. We are looking for the current week now. So looking at it, we are still on an uptrend because now price have already bounced from the resistance level. Now let's step down to daily. Looking at the daily, looking at this point, I'm still not looking for any retracement pattern to the downward. I'm not looking for any retracement pattern downward, but I will do something like this because on my weekly basis, I will mark the open and the close button. So I'm looking for this region for me to take my retracement. Then I will mark the 50% of it down. So this is the 50%. Then we lock it down. So I log it. Now I step into a daily candle. So what have we been doing? Look at the 50% here. It actually respects this doji candle here. So now if we step down to 4 hours, a 4 hours candle already giving us something very related to what you're looking at this time. But on the long run, we're still bullish. So now we're looking for this point to this point to take our trade. Fourthly, I won't be looking. I would. I won't be looking for any downward movement that is going to come below this one. I don't expect the price to come below this one. Now, what I will be expecting in case price broke below this 50%, I'll be expecting to take my trade from this point. Why did I say this point? So now if you go on a daily candle, if you go on a daily candle, now look at this daily candle. This is where the last week come back from, and I'm not expecting price to go below this region. I'm expecting in case the price retrace below this 50%, I'm taking my trade from this point, should in case. But my own anticipation is price will continue to the uptrend. Price might come to this point, price might come to this point, 50% of this week or week below, then continue going up. Or Monday can be a little of consolidation, and Tuesday, Wednesday can be a little bit of uh, Monday can be a little bit of consolidation, and Tuesday, Wednesday can be a little bit of movement to the upside down. So our expectation for next week is to break above this equal highs here. If we go back on a weekly basis, Yeah. So check this something, guys. Now I want us to mark out this bearish engulfing candle here. Then let me change the color to blue. So now let's step down to our daily candle. Now, looking at what is happening here right now, on Monday we might see a little bit of consolidation to this point. Get me right. On Monday we might see continuation to this point. Monday can open here and we continue. Yeah, the Monday can continue to the upside. Sorry, I drew this wrong. Money can continue to this point, then we trace back to this level here or somewhere around there, then to we move up like this, then continue like this, then continue like this. So, but our main focus for next week is price to move above this point. And if I mark out on a daily basis again, there's another repetition on here, a bearish engulfing candle here. We have another one here, which price might go there and retrace to this weekly and break it to the upside. So our main focus for next week, GBPAUD, we're still on the uptrend, but I'm taking my entry at this region here. I'm taking my entry at this region here. This is where I'm taking my entry at this region. But if the price break below this region, I'm taking my entry here. So if you have a bot there, so you have to check what the candle is saying and expect where we expect the price to get to. But we are still on the uptrend, and our main target is this place. Entry level at this point, and our TP is at this point. Thank you very much. And as I've said, if you haven't watched my video for last week, you can watch it so you can understand and you can flow with why I said this and why I said that. Thank you very much, and see you soon in the next analysis. God bless.